Let's have a look at our first chords. What I'm going to start with is a thumbs up, and I'm going to place my thumb on the back of the guitar neck. That way I can curve my fingers around to push down the strings and hold down the string with the tip of my finger. So thumbs up on the back of the neck, keeping a curved finger and pushing the string down with the tip of my finger. So we'll look at an E minor chord first of all. I'm going to start by placing a finger behind the second fret. I'm going to start with my index finger, or my pointy finger, and I'm going to place it just in behind that second fret on that second string down. Next, I take my second finger and I place it underneath on the next string down. Both fingers are behind the second fret. Then I strum all 6 strings. When you play this chord, try and make sure that you're close to the second fret. You don't want to be too far back towards the headstock. By keeping close to the fret with a curved finger, you'll find it's easier to play. If you go too far back the other way, you have to push twice as hard and you get buzz and rattle. So to look at our second chord, the A7 chord, I'm going to start with my E minor and I'm going to move both my fingers down 1 string. Then I'm going to take my second finger and I'm going to move it down an extra string. So there's a gap between my first finger and my second finger. Then I strum, missing this top 6th string. Don't worry if you get a little bit of buzz and rattle at the start. It takes a little bit of time and practice to get your fingers in the right place and to start to feel comfortable placing your fingers behind the fret.